In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the drawing field in Docusign Esignature. Whether you're a seasoned Docusign user or just getting started, this feature is a handy tool that expands the capability of your electronic documents. The drawing field allows signers to add custom markings, illustrations, or signatures by hand, providing a more personalized touch to your documents. With that said, let's dive into the exact steps on how to effectively use this feature. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. It's a leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, known for its user-friendly interface and robust functionality. Once you're on the site, locate the Login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on it and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to sign up for one, but the process is straightforward, much like creating a regular online account. After logging in, you'll land on the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub for managing documents. Here you should see an option to use a template. Templates are quite useful as they save time by providing preset fields and configurations that match common document types and scenarios. Select a template that suits the type of document you are working with or simply want to edit. Next, you'll need to add specific details to the document. This could involve filling in names, dates, or other essential information that varies from one document to another. Doing so ensures that your document is ready to be fully customized and signed. Pay close attention to the fields available, as these details are critical for ensuring your document meets its intended purpose. Once you've added all necessary details, proceed by clicking the Next button. This will guide you to the page where you can add different fields to your document. Now look for the drawing option in the fields menu. Clicking on drawing allows you to insert the drawing field into your document, typically by dragging and placing it in the desired location on the page. This drawing field is particularly versatile. If you're preparing a document where a signer might need to add a sketch or freeform signature, this field is the perfect fit. Remember, the idea is to enhance user interaction by providing space for elements that require more than text input. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to include the drawing field in your documents using Docusign. As you can see, implementing this feature is relatively quick and opens up numerous possibilities for making your agreements more personalized and interactive. Thanks for joining today, and happy documenting.